Good morning, sunshine. Morning, Mr. Dexter.
Morning to you. Well, well, well. Where's my boy? Where is my boy, you son of a bitch? Okay. Wanna play tough? You got it, asshole. See that little girl over there everybody's so fond of? Well, my scientists tell me that this is what revs her up. Look at her now. Weak as a little kitten. Mr. Dexter, fuck off! Fuck! What the fuck kind of place you running here, Clive?
Hell, that ain't mine.
Jesus Christ, you
That's Mrs. Cooper's.
sick fuck! You killed my boy, didn't you?
Look, man, just tell him what he wants to know. Accidents happen in this jail all the time.
Hey, Mr. Dexter, come on. You go on about your business. I'll take care of this guy. Let's go.
I want my boy back, Clive.
I ain't let you down yet, have I? Go on. Yeah, it's gonna be you and me now.
God damn it. It's typical. Just typical. I'm on it!
Yeah, we'll do. Thought I was just a Sarge. He looked very happy. Probably had a session, if you know what I mean, right?
Every year at the Hope Fair, we have to haul your fucking ass. I'm not drunk. I'm just passed out. Please. I can smell it from over here. So what is it this year? Defecating in the water fountain, interrupting the mayor's speech by publicly declaring to be Jesus.
No.
Hey, Merle. You took away your license months ago. You know better than that. Sorry, Merle. The sheriff just threw one of his tantrums. Trust me. Don't want to bother him.
I don't normally complain, but it's every 30 minutes or so. Kept me up all night. And it's right before fair day, too. I'm trying to win a goldfish.
Those are Dexter Industry Trusts. My hands are tied.
Oh, bullshit. I want to file a formal complaint. Why do they drive down Main Street anyway? They can take another road.
Sorry, Dustin, but you gotta take it up with City Hall. They're the ones greenlighting the convoys. I wouldn't hold my breath, though. You know Dexter Industries employs half a hope, so they get a lot of leeway.
That guy, is he... I just,
town. Who the fuck are you? This is my fucking town!
Let him know we're serious.
Ow! Don't shoot me! I'm the sheriff!
Christ, what a dipshit.
Alpha team, stay on mission. Line 47.
You go.
I'm on it.
You okay? Respond! Command, we are being targeted in isolation. Request...
Sentry posts here, here, and here. 14 sweep the building to our sectors 5, 7, and 12. Standard A-16 pinch maneuver. Flush them out like a rat.
Relax, sir. My men.
Hey.
Blockades are in place here and here. We have sentinels positioned on every corner and sniper nests here, here, and on every rooftop overlooking town square. I don't care how good this guy's supposed to be. Unless he's got wings, he couldn't have got far.
Uniform is all wrong.
Hey, what's up?
At least the target won't be able to get through this way. Come on, let's move out. We need to sweep the parking lots. Our window of opportunity is closing fast.
checkpoint. Setting up shop at 45 degrees southwest. Over.
Roger that, Rabbit. Get in position. We'll flush out the target. Over.
Sir.
Victoria.
Sir, may I inform you that I am armed. Sneaking around like that could get you injured or worse.
This doesn't make any sense.
The guy's a ghost. Why do you think he's been the agency top man for all these years? Use the scalpel. With the hammer.
We shouldn't be out here, man. It's bad luck hunting your own.
Cool it. Brute force always prevails. I don't care how good this guy is. He's bound to slip up sooner or later.
Huh? Hey, through this!
Are you okay, my son?
Fucking move!
You're a coward, Sheriff Skirky! I'm gonna shoot this son of a bitch!
Go down!
Please, I can't die in a church.
Last time, where's Victoria?
Oh, go fuck yourself. Blackwater Park!